Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the silver outlook is actually showing potentially a bullish move. Now, the reason why I say that is that clearly from this low to the flash crash on Friday, the stochastic indicator is actually showing bullish divergence. Now, bullish divergence appears as prices attempt to post fresh lows, as you can see here. The indicator is not, as you can see here. But instead, displaying bullish divergence is when prices make a lower bottom on the chart from the flash crash and then previously, while the indicator is giving you higher bottoms, as you can see here. Therefore, in this case, if the bullish divergence is true to its nature, then this could trigger a rapid price increase. So at the moment, I'm looking for a target of $15.85 and then on towards where the downtrend comes in at $16.50. Dips are likely to be shallow today and support comes in around $15.20 to $25. Now, like silver, we have bullish divergence in gold. Although the market did post a near 4-month low overnight of 1,204, the market has recovered quite well. Any weakness towards the low region of the 1,200 handle, I do expect to see a recovery or demand and likely to see the market snap to the upside, purely behind this divergence. So as you can see here, the prices is making a lower bottom from the 2 points here. The indicator is actually rising and posting a higher bottom. Therefore, I'll be looking for a move towards 1,216 to 18 and then possibly on towards a target of either 24 or up towards 1,229 to 32. And as I mentioned, dips are likely to be shallow today. Well, the Australian dollar price action remains muted overnight after the report yesterday from China that indicated that the CPI rose by 1.5% year on year in June, meeting expectations while the PPI rose to 5.5%. With the Aussie unrattled by those figures, it's still confined to a 75.70 to 76.25 range, and I still hold a bearish view towards 75.70. Now, beneath there, it could be viewed that a base is being built around 75.45. For those that are short, maybe looking towards that level could see short covering. Any advances on the day should find a cap today at 76.25. The euro also remains confined to a range of 113.80 to 114.35, but concerns are still that the fact is that the US dollar is not making any recoveries since Friday's advance. Therefore, we could see a move up towards 114.35 to 114.85 and reassess from there. Any pullbacks should look towards the support, as I mentioned, at 113.80 and firmer beneath at 113.15.30. Well, the dollar yen case still holding to a mixed view, even though the prices are pushing towards that resistance of 114.30.35. Now, I must stress, and I have over the last couple of days, that the market is overbought, with the indicator really pushing to the top side of the range. Now, I expect to see, although a break of 114.30.35 may see a short impulse, but overall, we could see a sharp decline. Resistance above the 35 level comes in at 114.85. Now, you can see here with this trend, if we break beneath the support, which now comes in at 113.55.65, this will give exposure towards 112.70.80 and reassess from there. But as I mentioned, we are overbought and I do expect to see a sharp turnaround very soon. Well, the pound also was quiet overnight as it is locked within the range of 128.60.65 to 129.30.35. I am still bearish and I still look for a move towards the downside with the objective holding to 127.70.85 and reassess from there. Any advances should find a cap towards that 129.30. That wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me this morning. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.